This is a groovy little trap that we've been developing for the last year or so. It's based on the concept of a Dock 200 double set, but we had some materials left over and we made these for Victor professional rat traps because they're dangerous to non-target species, and putting them in a box or a contained entry makes them far more efficient at capturing the pest. So talk you through what we've got here. So made out of the same materials as the Dock 200 boxes, but it's got two Victor traps in, and one entrance this way and one entrance that way. It's designed to go right at the back of the cavity, so the rat has to come in here. That'll put them directly over the kill plate. It's safe from non-targets. You do still catch blackbirds and chaffinches. If you're in Kiwi country, they'll want to be at least 350 mils long, so you can't get a kiwi beak in there. But in a place like this, where there's none of those non-targets, just another little set. Most of us have set snap traps in our time, pretty straightforward. Hold them with the business end away from you, pull a spring down, load the plate on the fine mode, then put it in again with the business end away from you in the front of the trap. Then using a wee stick or similar, you can just push it to the back of the box so the critter comes in, and he's got that 20 centimetre space, protects you from non-targets, makes the rat on the kill bar. Close the box, screw them down. Nice little firm set so that the box doesn't wobble. Scuff the ground, blaze of flour. You can put a little bit of peanut butter at the doorway, never hurts. Again, sales and marketing, free giveaways, neon signs saying come in, not danger signs saying keep out.